Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Just Coded with Sarthak. Today we have a very special topic for this 5-minute video series, referrals and cold mailing. I have already made a huge big video about every details of how to get referrals and everything on LinkedIn. I will put the link here somewhere. Please check that out if you want to know in detail. But this is basically about the tips and tricks you can use if you've already seen that video in detail. So we will be discussing about what are the tricks that worked for me, that I was able to get good amount of referrals from big companies and big folks. It could be national or international opportunities as well. And हम उन चीज़ों पे फोकस करने वाले हैं in more depth and details कि what are the differences and what can be working best for you. So without further ado, let's start with the video. So LinkedIn has a platform gives this functionality to reach out to employees and recruiters and other people in some company. It could be founders, startup CEOs, and it could be software developers, recruiters, and other people in that org. What I personally did whenever I was trying to get that, there are in-mails provided to you in case if you're a new person, you can have LinkedIn Premium as it. If you get some in-mails. And whenever you try to send an email, try to send that email via desktop version or via on laptop, because you will get an functionality to attach a file there itself. So whenever I try to send a message, I have to attach my resume. That's a must for any kind of referral you want to ask for, because without a resume, I don't think another person will be able to refer you or understand your profile better. So you can only attach that on the desktop version of LinkedIn, like till this video goes live. That is the case. So instead of sending out cold emails, if the person is not connected to you, you cannot send more than one message. Then in that email, particularly email, try to attach the resume and try to send that message in the desktop version with a good subject line, and you will be able to do that. So that's tip number one. Moving on to tip number two. What you can do is, generally, if people are not connected to you, there are certain profiles like what I have done with my profile. You don't require an in-mail premium subscription just to text me. If you are still not connected to me, I have that free message capability, so that any person out there can message me at least once without needing any in-mail for that. So आपको LinkedIn Premium नहीं चाहिए. You don't need any extra payment or anything to be made. You do not have a limit. It's just that you can text me one free message. So the idea is that you get a simple notification whenever you open that chat box. You get a simple, like it would say something like 1 out of 5 email required, or it will say free message. So whenever you see free message for some person, you can definitely send a message. Don't hesitate. Please reach out to that person. That person has specifically turned on that button to not require any email from you guys. That person has higher chance of replying you or referring you. Look out for these profiles as well. So that's one tip for you for LinkedIn. Tip number 3. So LinkedIn, whatever you can do is, there are two things. Whenever you're trying to send an invitation, just try to add a simple text. Whenever you add some text to your invitation, it makes more sense to the other person. Why are you connecting? And what's the basic idea of that? So it could be 1-liner, 2-liner, 5-liners. There's some specific character limit on that. But try to make some point that why you want to connect your network, why you will be an essential, and benefit to the other person's network. Tip number 5, and the last tip of this video, is about connecting with the person and sending the message. So whenever you are connected with the person, you have that amount of messages, but don't say simple hi or how are you. I don't think the platform is for small talks. You should always try to mention what's the reason of your text. There are some chances that I have seen other person do that. They don't reply to your hi, how are you kind of messages. Never send this cold text. Try to include whatever the reason. It could be referral, or it could be something about getting the knowledge, getting your resume reviewed. It could be one-to-one session for some guidance. Anything, whatever you want. Just try to mention that first message only, because that will increase your odds of getting reply very high, very, very high. So don't just text hi and how are you. I can assure you, because everybody is busy with their life and they might not just reply, because you don't know the context of the other person texting you. So they don't want to engage in these kind of scenarios. So just don't try to initiate with small talk. Try to mention the reason of their message as well. And with this, we come to this end of this video. I hope you like these 5 tips and tricks for LinkedIn reference. ये सारी मैंने यूज करी है personally. I have seen a tremendous result. I've been able to get referrals, I've been able to get guidance, mock interviews, and so on and so forth, everything from these cold messages. So good luck with that, and see you in the next video. And before moving on that, if you like this video, please just subscribe to my channel and share this video with everyone out there. And see you in the next video. Bye bye. And let's thank the supporter of this channel, Newton School. So guys, what is Newton School? Newton School एक edtech startup है जहाँ पे you can learn more about different technologies out there. They will help you get job offers from these top tech companies. एंड उनका एक बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोग्राम है जहाँ पे आपको ₹1 भी पे नहीं करना है जब तक आपके इन कंपनीज में जॉब नहीं लग जाता. दे हैव वेरी गुड ऑफरिंग्स विद दिस कोर्स, live classes, industrial projects, mock interviews, and personal mentoring. I will put the link in the description, and I suggest you all to check this out and explore their courses.